Hey everybody, Josh Deaton with Sideways Barbecue. I just wanted to kind of give you an update of how our week went. We had a long week, a busy week, but there was a lot that went on. We were the celebrity chef. I got an opportunity to go to the state fair. I was a celebrity chef at the state fair, which was pretty cool. Then we had to go to a barbecue competition, sanctioned IBCA, and that was in Rockwall. But me and Chad Sessions, he owns Sessions Barbecue, we had to do a class on stage. So I did a brisket, and a lot of people paid some money to watch me do a brisket, and then a lot of people paid a lot of money to watch Chad do some beef ribs, and at the same time I had to get my chicken turned in while I was on the stage, so it was running back and forth. But either way, I wanted to kind of give you guys an update of how everything went. So this video is going to kind of show you the competition and some little pieces of what we did, our prep, and those sort of things, and then the overall, hopefully the overall win. So you're gonna have to watch the rest of this video to kind of check it out. But some of you might know, some of you might not know. But don't fast forward. Watch this whole video. We'll see you in a minute. Cody Mallon,
what's going on?
What you doing over here?
Trying to prep this brisket.
Yeah, you getting ready for this count?
We'll see how it goes.
Yeah, so we're finally all almost set up. So guys, I'm not going to give you all its secrets here, but we'll just kind of go straight to the brisket. And that thing is a beauty. Look at this. If y'all haven't seen his video on this, go to his Facebook page. His wife, what's your wife's name?
Stephanie Malin.
Stephanie Malin did an amazing job on watching him trim a brisket in 3 seconds, because they fast forwarded the whole thing. So but anyways, Cody is a championship barbecuer.
This is the good stuff right here. This is the point. So the secret, one secret I'll give, you have to inject your meat.
Yeah, what did you and I do right when we had the first second to do something?
Got here, pulled everything out, immediately start injecting the meat.
Immediately.
And then the next step is to go ahead and get the rub on it and let it sit. Don't touch it. I'll wait, and I won't put my brisket back on the smoker till about 7 a.m. So I let all those spices and everything kind of get in there, not really marinate, but get in there and get all that flavor inside of it. Yeah, and
guys, I don't know, most of you guys, if you follow anything on barbecue, anything, Cody has been in the restaurant industry all of his life, and championship barbecuer. He does this stuff weekly while we try to do this every now and then. So he's got it going on. But hey, I hope I at least place somewhere around you.
That's all we hope for. I hope I do the same. So we'll be defending our grand champion title.
Yes, sir.
And, we'll see how it goes.
Ambiance.
Hey, that's all it is. Y'all get to do it and make money, and
skeletons.
I do it for a little bit of fun and make a little money at the competitions too. But
oh man, it's gonna be a good time tonight. So
absolutely.
This is my favorite deal. So I'm gonna go interview some of the other guys, and we'll see how we went tomorrow.
Jeff Kassar here with Sideways Barbecue. We want to show you where we're starting to do our magic. Josh is gonna be running the show here tonight. Follow me over here. This is our prep area, family station, place to just put everything and get together and hang out. Got all our chairs, Josh's area where he's going to be doing his magic. And then up there is where we're going to be maybe getting 1 hour of sleep tonight, from about 4 to 5:15, maybe, if we're lucky.
On its way right now. Don't leave. Don't leave before you get your board, okay? Don't leave. Issue you a number.
So I won't mess with this until it gets wet. Once it gets wet, as you keep patting it, it'll get wet eventually. And then we'll put it on the smoker at 225. I'm going to put it on the smoker at 225. And then once it gets the color, at color, I'm going to wrap it in the butcher paper.
On a prison farm in Georgia, close to the Florida line.
Pull that.
Well, I've been here for 2 long years. I finally made the woman my friend. And so we said, you can consider yourself mighty lucky to get past the gators and the quicksand things. But all these years that I've been here, ain't nobody got past red.
$500. Ticket number
All right, so here's the update. So we got first place brisket. There we go. The way that we turn it in to the judge is the same way that you eat it right here at Sideways Barbecue. Check it out. So y'all want to try this brisket? Come on in and check it out. You'll love it. We also got second place chicken, and then we've got People's Choice Award. This was for pulled pork, and we got number 1 on there. So we got first place pulled pork, and it was good. Oh my gosh, you got to come check out the pulled pork. Very good. And but we served that here at the restaurant as well. And then boom, got reserve grand champion. So reserve grand champion, and my buddy Cody Mallon with Smoking Aces Barbecue. He got grand champion, and well deserved. That guy is a professional. He's a pro, all around good person, and I look forward to competing with him again next year. Hey, if you guys like this video and you want to see more just like it, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that bell icon. Make sure that that'll let you know when we do another video. We do a lot of how-to videos. We're trying to get as many videos out as we can. We're trying to do them daily. Doesn't always work out that way, but we're trying to get something done daily. And if you want to see more of them, like I said, hit our YouTube channel. I'm going to put the link in the description below. And click on over there. You may be on YouTube right now, so go ahead and click that bell icon, smash that subscribe button, and we'll get some more videos for you guys soon. And like I said, we're about to do a pinwheel video. We're going to smoke a brisket. We're going to wrap it with bacon. We're going to put some cream cheese. We're going to do all sorts of stuff to this. I'm going to show you how we do that. We're going to do we're going to show you how we do our brisket. So when you subscribe, you'll get to see these videos. So we will see you soon. See you on the next video. Have a good day. And I don't have to say we're going to see you in a minute because it just goes right into the...
God, that's awesome. I got that on video for sure.